汽车声响，歌舞升平。只见他笑脸迎，谁知他内心苦闷。夜生活都为了衣食住行，酒不醉人人自醉，不天不地蹉跎了青春。萧瑟朦胧，倦眼惺忪，大家归去，心灵儿随着转动的车轮，换一换新天地，别有一个新环境，回味着夜生活，如梦初醒。酒不醉人人自醉，忽天忽地蹉跎了青春。萧瑟朦胧，倦眼惺忪，大家归去，心灵儿随着转动的车轮，换一换新天地，别有一个新环境，回味着夜生活，如梦初醒。
The Bund, also called Weiden, is a famous waterfront on the west bank of HuangPu River and regarded as the symbol of Shanghai. Here, the charm of Shanghai as a bustling metropolis combining the century-old history and flourishing future is fully presented, making the Bund Shanghai a must-see attraction.
夜上海，夜上海，你是个不夜城。花灯起，车声响，歌舞升平。只见他笑脸迎，谁知他内心苦闷。夜生活都为了衣食住行，酒不醉人人自醉，不天不地蹉跎了青春。萧瑟朦胧，倦眼惺忪，大家归去，心灵儿随着转动的车轮，换一换新天地，别有一个新环境，回味着夜生活，如梦初醒。
Nanjing Road. China's premier shopping street, the 5.5 kilometers long, 3.4 mile long. Today it is a must-see metropolitan destination attracting thousands of fashion-seeking shoppers from all over the world. As a century-old shopping street in HuangPu District, Shanghai, Nanjing Road was a witness of the city's history. Over time, it has been restructured, undergoing significant changes. Big traditional stores no longer dominate the market since modern shopping malls, specialty stores, theaters, and international hotels have mushroomed on both sides of the street. For shopping convenience, its eastern end has an all-weather pedestrian arcade.
倦眼惺忪，大家归去，心灵儿随着转动的车轮，换一换新天地，别有一个新环境，回味着夜生活，如梦初
Nanjing Road, starts at the Bund in the east and ends in the west at the junction of Jing'an Temple and West Yan'an Street. Originally a fishing village and market town, Shanghai grew in importance in the 19th century due to both domestic and foreign trade and its favorable port location. The city was one of 5 treaty ports forced to open to European trade after the First Opium War. The Shanghai International Settlement and the French Concession were subsequently established. The city then flourished, becoming a primary commercial and financial hub of Asia in the 1930s. During the Second Sino-Japanese War, the city was the site of the major Battle of Shanghai. After the war, with the CCP takeover of the mainland in 1949, trade was limited to other socialist countries and the city's global influence declined. By the 1990s, economic reforms introduced by Deng Xiaoping a decade earlier resulted in an intense redevelopment of the city, especially the Pudong New area, aiding the return of finance and foreign investment. The city has since re-emerged as a hub for international trade and finance. It is the home of the Shanghai Stock Exchange, one of the largest stock exchanges in the world by market capitalization, in the Shanghai Free Trade Zone, the first free trade zone in mainland China. Shanghai has been classified as an Alpha Plus, Global First Tier, city by the Globalization and World Cities Research Network. As of 2022, it is home to 12 companies of the Fortune Global 500 and is ranked 4th on the Global Financial Centers Index. The city is also a global major center for research and development and home to many highly ranked double first-class universities. The Shanghai Metro, first opened in 1993, is the largest metro network in the world by route length. Shanghai has been described as the showpiece of the booming economy of China. Featuring several architectural styles such as Art Deco and Shikuman, the city is renowned for its Lujiazui skyline, museums and historic buildings including the City God Temple, Yu Garden, the China Pavilion and buildings along the Bund, which includes Oriental Pearl TV Tower. Shanghai is also known for its sugary cuisine, distinctive local language and vibrant international flair. Lujiazui is Shanghai's glitzy financial district, known for futuristic skyscrapers like the Shanghai Tower, with its lofty observation deck, and the Needle Lake Oriental Pearl TV Tower, home to the Shanghai Municipal History Museum. The area is also noted for its luxe hotel nightlife, with European fine dining, stylish bars and posh dance clubs offering panoramic views.
say